Lumeo is a highly flexible video intelligence platform that allows you to add a wide range of camera and analytics to existing camera setups. Lumeo runs on Hanwha devices like the NVIDIA Jetson camera and the Hanwha AI box. Lumeo helps you go beyond the traditional analytics that are built into the cameras to deploy analytics that are designed to help improve business processes and functions. So we get deployed in a wide variety of scenarios, all the way from transportation, logistics, manufacturing, to retail and security on other sort of large event venues. And what's most unique about Lumeo is we bundle a huge range of analytics onto a single platform, so you can actually deploy different use cases across your organization in one meaningful manner. And this allows you to actually go in and scale very effectively and deploy the analytics that your business needs.